Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's learn with Aftab Ahmed. Dear viewers, now we will discuss the 18th chapter of The Prisoner of Zenda, Forcing the Trap. We have already discussed 17th chapter and this is the 19th. Uh, Viewers, in last chapter we discussed that Rosendal has all settled himself to get the original king back, and he was somewhere in the river near the Jacob's ladder, and his other friends, his other companions, they were coming from the front gate of the castle, and they were waiting for the John to open the door. And when John will open the door, they will enter the castle and they will set a trap and they will try to capture the Black Michael. And from Jacob's ladder, from that pipe, the Rosendal will go there and he will try to get the original king back. So Rosendal tells the events that when he was standing there, and as per plan, the Lady Muban was supposed to make some cries at 2 o'clock at the night, but he realized that when he was standing there, he saw that the all of the sudden the room brightened with lights. The lights were on inside the room of the Lady Muban, and all of the sudden he saw that another person entered there. Perhaps, in fact, he was the Rupert, and he said that sword in one hand and light in other. He went inside the room of the Lady Muban, and all of the sudden she started crying. And actually, the Rupert went there to seduce her, and she made cries that and Rosendal is telling that the cries were as per the whatever she was saying, that were the same word he has written for her, but all these things were happening before the time. So according to plan, she was supposed to make the fake cries, but the Rupert had really entered in her room and she was making the real cries, and she was calling the Black Michael, that Black Michael, come and help, because Rupert has entered her room. And when she was making cries, the Rosendal was standing there and he was looking at the scene, and Black Michael went inside the room of Lady Muban. And when he went there, then the Rupert and Black Michael, they had a clash inside the room. The Lady Muban was also there, and the Rupert and Black Michael, they were sword to sword and they started fighting each other. And Rosendal was worried that all things were happening before time. He also noticed that John was also somewhere there, so he feared that how he will go there and how he will open the door and how his companions will enter the castle and they will trap the Black Michael. And he had the fear that the Rupert may slain or he may kill the John. Then he was afraid of all things, that the things were happening quite differently, and he was in shock. Then after a few minutes, when the shouts were there, the Black Michael and Rupert, they were fighting there. The Lady Muban was also crying there. And after a few moments, the Rupert came out of the room, and his shirt, his clothes were dipped with blood. He could easily see the blood on his clothes. And there, Rosendal says that he was waiting. If any person, on the other side of the drawbridge, we know that the two parts of the castle, they were connected through drawbridge, and he was waiting if someone from the other side of the drawbridge, we know the three companions of Black Michael, they were protecting or they were guarding the original king, and he said that if someone from there came out, he will kill him. So looking at the opportunity, the guard came out, and the Rosendal killed him and took the keys, and Rosendal went the inside the cellar where the original king was kept. And when he went there, he saw that the Bersonan and Decherd, they were there, and he had a fighting with them. And somehow the Rosendal was able to kill the Bersonan, and then the Decherd was the last person there who was left, and inside the second room of the cellar, the king was there, and the Decherd and Rosendal, they were fighting sword to sword, and Rosendal tells that the Decherd was a very good swordsman, and he was much better than Rosendal himself. So they were fighting, and the Datcherd was almost successful. He was almost coming over the Rysendal. But there, inside the room, the original king was tied with the chair. And remember, previously we had discussed that the physician was also there. So with the help of physician and after some the fight, somehow Rysendal was able to kill the Datcherd as well, and he freed the king. And he saw that the king was not in good health, but at least the king was alive. So keeping the king there, unfortunately the doctor, the physician was also killed there. So keeping the king there, he came out of the room and he saw that Rupert was standing on the drawbridge, and the Lady Mewburn was crying and she was weeping in front of him. So there Rysendal was again thinking that whether the Jonas went to the main gate of the castle and opened the door or not. And the Rupert was making shouts and he was calling Black Michael to come out of the room and let's have a fight like mans. But we know they had a fight, and the Black Michael was injured and perhaps he was dead. But at this point still we don't know that whether Black Michael is dead or he is seriously injured. But Lady Mewburn was there and she was crying, and Rupert was right on the middle of the bridge. He was laughing with maybe the success, and he was shouting at the Black Michael that come Black Michael and let's have a fight there. And Rysendal just standing there, and he was thinking that maybe at 2 o'clock the gate did not open, and as per plan that the Fritz may have gone round the castle to meet with Rysendal, and the Rysendal was also not there because he has also entered inside the cellar of the king, and maybe they had gone to the marshal and they may bring the all army and they attack the castle of the Black Michael. But at this point Rysendal doesn't know that what is going on the other side of the castle, but what is happening inside that was in front of his eyes. So at this point, at the end of this chapter, we know that the Rysendal, the Rupert had a fight with Black Michael inside the room of the Lady Mewburn, and certainly we don't know with certainty whether the Black Michael is killed at this point or not, but we know that he is seriously injured. And on the other side of the castle, the Rupert has killed the 3 best companions of Black Michael, the Datcherd, the Gartet and Bersenal. They all are killed, and the king is alone inside that cellar. So that the other side of the castle, at least Rysendal should be satisfied that the life of king is not in danger at this point. And somehow the chapter ends there, and what will happen in next chapter, very soon we will discuss it. So stay connected. Thank you very much for watching this. We will soon discuss the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.